And today we got the pileated woodpecker, a male pileated woodpecker, that is. And we are at the Great Grandmaster facility retreat areas and stuff. And this is the Great Grandmaster Steve. And I thought we'd get a little video of Woody. Woody the woodpecker was on TV about 70 years ago, and he was named after a pileated woodpecker. And to tell the difference between a male and a female, the male's got a little bit more of a crest on top and a red line underneath his eye. But it's a beautiful bird, a big bird, and the largest woodpecker in this area. There's the pileated, and there's the great northern flicker, and the red-bellied woodpecker, the red-headed woodpecker, hairy woodpecker, yellow-bellied sapsucker, which we don't see very many of them around anymore, and the little downy woodpecker. Anyway, that's our story for the day. This is the Great Grandmaster Steve, watching things swing by. Until next time.